flat tire busy schedule, let's meet a local business bringing tire shop to your driveway. I'm Hellen Dyke with REALTY. Support your local business day. Hi Odell, thank you so much for stopping by today to change my tire for me.
Thank you, it's my pleasure.
Yes, tell us more about yourself and how you started this tire shop.
Yeah, it's a mobile tire. It's a rolling tire shop. So I'll do it in your convenient time and place, wherever you are. I'll come over, bring the whole tire shop in front of your house, or if you're in a grocery parking lot, we can do that too. Yes.
And how far can you drive?
From A to B, maybe from south, north, west, and east.
Like, do you go outside Calgary?
I go outside Calgary, go Edmonton, Dyke, Strathmore. Yes.
Nice.
So
do you charge extra if you have to drive?
When I go that far,
yeah,
like out of town, pretty much, I go by the kilometers of my service call.
Okay.
So it's a service call. On top of that is the whatever tire service we need, either a flat tire or a change or just putting the spare tire.
Yeah. And so, what if they need a new brand new tires? Do you normally have them?
I'm sorry, say it again.
Like if the customer need brand new tires.
Yes, I can get them brand new tires from all season to all weather, to winter tires, standard tires. Any brands, we pretty much carry that. So yeah, there's no problem getting all those tires.
And how can someone get a hold of you?
Actually, to be honest, I don't have any website.
Yeah.
With my van, it's a big, I did it on purpose.
Yeah.
I put a big decal wrap, a full wrap of the van.
Yeah. And
that's pretty much how I get all my customers, just driving from anywhere and seeing me with my big business number there, and then they'll just take a picture and then call me.
So pretty much just through your phone. Through phone and texting. Through
phone and text and word of mouth, friends.
Yeah.
Especially I have a special friend, it's just like our family, just Hellen and Nick.
Yeah.
The best people in the world.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Odell. Any message for Calgarians today?
Right now, if you guys need, because it's really backed up, phoning all the dealership and tire shop. That's why I'm mobile. First come, first serve. I can go there right away if you guys need me. That's it.
Thank you so much, Odell. Now we're gonna see how he does it.
Sounds good.
Thank you. See what you do.
Okay, so right now we're doing a seasonal bolt-on. It's called seasonal bolt-on because this one here, the customer, she's got her winter tires already mounted. So we're just taking it off the summer tires and putting on the winter tires. With this kind of weather right now, I know it's a little bit too late. But you know what? My customer's always right. I cannot say no to them. I love that people. Okay, there you go. Okay. We're gonna start now. Okay. We'll start with the left rear. I got a hassle. Sorry.
That's all right.
Okay, we're gonna need a hammer. Hammer should be all. Yeah, brakes are good. Okay, now we finished the bolt-on, seasonal bolt-on for this vehicle.
Yeah.
Now, what I'm going to do now is to check the air, making sure it's in a right tire pressure spec.
Okay.
And then after that, we'll go all four tires.
Yeah.
And then we'll retorque all the lug nuts to the spec of this vehicle here. And then the customer she has to call me back after 150 kilometers for the retorque again. Okay. That's all.
That's all. Thank you so much, Odell.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. Please find information on how to get hold of Odell at Tire Vantage in the description below. If you're a local business and you would like to have your business featured here, please DM me. Support local, stay safe, and let them handle your tire anytime, anywhere. I'm Hellen Dyke with REALTY. Till next time.